Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Home not connecting to Wi-Fi. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you need to tap and hold the Google Home app from your home screen. Now select the App Info button. Now tap on the Force Stop button and tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and then go and check your Google Home if it's working. If it doesn't, then come back here and then tap on the Clear Storage button and tap on Delete. This should solve your Wi-Fi problem in your Google Home. If your app still isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, then the last thing you can do is to open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Google Home. Tap on it and make sure the button says Open and not Update. If your app is not up to date, then that seriously affects your connectivity with your other Google Home devices. You should update it definitely. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.